This island, boy, yeah.
Wagwan. You don't know it's Island Boy Africa yesterday. Alright, so I'm back at this spot again. If you guys watch my previous video, you guys will know this spot. Yes, I'm back at Shelly Beach again. You know what I mean? I go fishing for Shelly Beach front. Yeah man. So it's high tide at the moment and the waves them much more massive. So I don't know what it's gonna be like today, but today is a much more beautiful day. You know, the water is much more clearer. Yeah, but make us see what we can go on with. And also, ooh, look at that wave. The surfers them out today. So you know, say definitely the waves them much bigger. Yeah man, and I have babes and little island over there, so you know what I mean? Down on the beach and they are going pal off and thing. Yeah, so me there out here again. Yeah man. Make us see what we can go on with now. We're on a roll now. Let's go. I don't want to wave take me off on a rock today, you know. Oh, out there. First cast. As the line shot me, I feel by it. Oh, fish on. As the line drop, me feel by it, guys. Literally. Fish on. First cast. No joke. Fish on. No joke. Tell us that spot full of action, you know. Look at that. Big ring. Land me drag kinda loose. First cast. What did I tell you? Massive brim. Look at that. Yo. Beginner guys. Got that. First cast. Bigger than man. Yeah man. We out here. This is a real good sign. I love this spot. I feel excited, I swear. The first cast, first fish, just like the last time. Woo. Oh, fish on again. Fish on again, guys. Them now play around here, so. Fish on, guys. Oh no, I think I lost it. I think them just stole my bait again. Ooh. Waves them big. Ooh. Oh, the fish on. Couldn't even tell that there was a fish on. Brim, guys, look at that. Another brim, guys. With smaller one but good size same way. As you guys can see. Oh shit, I almost hooked myself. There we go. That's another one. Go in there. Big piece of shrimp head there now for them. fish on? Is this actually a fish or what? Oh. I think my line got stuck. Oh, my line got stuck. I hate when this happens. There we go, it popped. And the wave them make it feel like say you have fish up on the line sometime. The fish really go itch my line after I just get a bite. Jano star. Seems like I'm gonna lose a lot of weights today. Just gonna try creep round on the side here so and see. But it doesn't look so good on this side at all. Be a big splash. I thought the camera was on earlier, guys, but look at this brim. Just caught him, massive. So the original spot just worked for me, guys. Definitely. Oh no. It's this fish again. Caught one the last time I was here. There it is. Yeah. Me, I don't know if it can eat, but all I know it's an ugly fish. And I'm not really interested. So I'm gonna throw it back. Ooh, big splash. There it goes. Good, thanks. Got stuck. Shit. About over an hour. Yeah, I lost so many sinkers and hooks already. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
When snorkeling out there, you find so many lures, so many.
Yeah, exactly. Ah, shit. Yeah. Good luck fishing, man. I'm gonna go down here for a bit.
Yeah, okay, no worries.
Alright, see you. Alright, guys, so we're leaving this place now. You see it? Yeah, I caught 3 fish. You guys seen that? 3 brim, 2 nice big size. Well, I caught 4 fish in total. The other fish is like rock hinds. Yeah, but I throw that one back. Yeah, so right now we're going to do me now. Yeah, just had a swim. You know, me and babes on Little Island. Yeah, and it was fun. You see it, but got caught up in some waves there. And thing, which wasn't fun. Yeah, so we are going home now, guys, and I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Alright, until next time, it's Island Boy Africa, and I'm out.